Thank you, AquaDoc, for sponsoring this video.
If you own a saltwater pool, you know the importance of proper winterization. Today I'll walk you through the steps to close your saltwater pool effectively to ensure it's ready for a smooth spring startup. Welcome to Clearwater Chronicles. I'm Kevin, and if you're new here, this channel is all about real-world pool tips and the latest in pool tech reviews. Today, in less than 5 minutes, I'm going to show you all the steps that you need to know to effectively close down your saltwater pool. Let's get started. You want to start by removing all the debris and thoroughly cleaning your pool. With a saltwater pool, it's extremely important to close it down properly. Doing it the wrong way can increase your chances of staining over the winter. That's why I recommend AquaDoc's saltwater closing kit. It's the only kit that's specifically made for closing saltwater pools. But before we add the chemicals, there's a few things we need to do. Skim the surface, brush the walls, vacuum the floor, and don't forget the skimmer baskets for the pump and the pool. A properly prepped pool ensures that winterizing chemicals work effectively. Test and adjust your pool's pH, alkalinity, and calcium hardness. Aim for pH between 7.4 and 7.6, alkalinity between 100 and 150 parts per million, and calcium hardness between 200 and 400 parts per million. Balanced water chemistry is crucial to preventing scale buildup and protecting your pool surfaces during the off-season. Turn off your salt chlorine injector and disconnect it from the pool system. Remove the salt cell and store it in a dry, frost-free location. This prevents damage from freezing temperatures and ensures the cell remains in good condition. Once you've turned off or bypassed your salt chlorine generator, then you want to add the chemicals. The box is going to tell you to lower the water before you do this, but in a saltwater pool, it's pretty important that we circulate these chemicals around before we do that. Now let's add AquaDoc's Saltwater Pool Winterizing Kit. The kit includes Winterenzyme, which breaks down oils and organic matter, Stain and Scale, which prevents mineral deposits on pool surfaces, and Oxidizer, which refreshes the water and controls odors. Follow the directions on the package for proper dosing. Add each product separately with the pump running to ensure circulation, and wait at least 15 minutes between each product before you add the next one. After adding AquaDoc's Winterizing Kit, add AquaDoc's Pool Closer. It's a liquid formula that contains natural enzymes and prevents cloudy water and scum lines. This is a unique enzyme-based formula that works great with saltwater pools. This is a great extra measure that you're going to be glad you added to your pool closing routine in the spring when you open up your pool. Pour it around the perimeter of the pool with the pump running and allow all those chemicals to circulate for at least 3 to 4 hours. Now it's time to lower your water. Usually this means about 4 to 6 inches below your skimmer. This helps prevent water from entering your skimmer and return lines, reducing the risk of freezing and damage. Drain all the water from the pump, filter, heater, and plumbing lines. Use a wet vac or an air compressor to blow out any remaining water from the lines. Install winter plugs in the skimmer and the return lines. If your area is prone to freezing temperatures, add pool-safe antifreeze to the plumbing lines to prevent damage. Lastly, you're going to install your cover according to the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure it's secure and tight to keep out debris and prevent damage from snow and ice accumulation. Proper winterization ensures your saltwater pool remains in excellent condition during the off-season and is easier to start up in the spring. Thanks again to AquaDoc for making the products that make this process straightforward and effective. If this video helped you, then hit the like and subscribe button. And if you need any of these chemicals to close down your saltwater pool, I'll put links in the description. Those are affiliate links and they help the channel at no extra cost to you. I really appreciate it when you use them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.